Hello, little minions. It's me, Bo Shevasu. Today, we are going to be talking about the quality, the pros, the cons, and the unboxing and unpackaging of this 3x5 foot, not inch, 3x5 foot American flag. This is specifically to commemorate our phenomenal country's 250th birthday. All right, let's go ahead and unfurl this thing. Make sure it does not touch the ground. Otherwise, we're going to have to give it to the Boy Scouts to burn. Not that always burning flags is bad, but did you know that that's the proper way to dispose of the American flag when it is good and used? So I wanted to show you guys exactly what this looks like. Whoa, oh dear, it's upside down. This is not a sign of distress. There we go, like that. Look at that, 1776 to 2026. Man, talk about a piece of history. Okay, let's take a close-up look at this. Oh, and in case you're wondering, here is the other side as well. So if you are American like me and you eat, sleep, and breathe red, white, and blue, except there's no blue in this. This is more of the, almost the more distressed, traditional type looking pattern on this. As you can see the stars around there. And let's go ahead and actually take a close-up look at the quality of this thing. You can see it's very thick canvasy type looking, and it's got an eyelet there that is reinforced. All the stitching is reinforced all around the edges. It is hemmed all the way around. And I'm actually here in the Pacific Northwest in the rain on purpose to actually show you guys that yes, it is in fact capable of withstanding the Pacific Northwest weather. And as you can see, there's really no even discoloration when you get a droplet on there. I mean, there is at first, and then it slowly fades away. That's cool. Outstanding. Oh, I love this thing. 1776 to 2026, we the people, 250 years. Ladies and gentlemen and fellow Americans, here's to another 250 years.